Choose.
So directly, first we have created groups, sir. In groups itself, in related list, we created users, sir.
Uh-huh.
There is one more section called roles also. There we didn't find a new button, sir. Only edit,
Hmm.
sorry, only edit is there. So
New
which is
is not
taking us
there.
to slush bucket.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Edit is taking us to slush bucket, which is showing already existing roles.
Hmm.
So we didn't find new button there. So we used the group roles module separately.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, there we created one new role. So and then we have come to groups again. Then we found that new role in slush bucket. So
Mm-hmm.
like that we assigned a role to that group, sir.
Okay.
Uh, and then we restricted that to that self-service module, and we have impersonated also. So it worked, but my doubt is why new button is not there. Can't we create role directly from group?
We can create it. We can enable the new button also, but by
Okay.
default, it is not there. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
We
sir.
can we can create it. We can enable it. It's not like it will not enable. It will enable,
Okay.
but out of the box by default, it is not there. That's why we are not able to see. But good, you seen it. Yeah. Yes. Others who didn't practice to here, maybe honestly, yes. If you already knew these concepts, maybe fine. But if we are new, then if anyone not practiced, please raise your hand. Not raise your hand. Let's say yes or no.
Govardhan here. I didn't practice.
You didn't practice. Okay,
Why?
fine.
Because I had listen, I can't able to see other version has been came for me. For that sake, I didn't practice. I had created my instance. The other
You
instance.
created your instance and it came as San Diego.
Yes,
You
yes, yes, yes.
then you can in San Diego you have two options, right? Yesterday I think someone asked the same question.
Yes,
Go
yes.
do one thing. Okay, do
Okay,
one thing. Go here in the main
okay,
page. Release your version first. Release
okay,
instance. Then
okay,
it will remove your instance and then request instance again. Here you see somewhere request instance.
okay.
That time specifically select previous version. Don't see new version. That is the reason I told like go for previous versions because you will get confused first initially.
Mm. Yes, yes, yes.
Release version and request version. Two things you can do.
Okay, fine then. I will do that.
Yeah, yeah, please. Good. You tried. Yeah, fine. Others?
Okay.
Any no's here? Anyone not practiced?
Sir, Bhavani, sir.
Ah, Bhavani, you don't have laptop, so you told me. Fine, ma, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Any other student, please, who not practiced? So assume that everyone practiced?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, nice, good. Okay, very good. Uh, 14 people. Where are remaining? We have 20 people in the batch. Now it's 22. Just give me 2 minutes. Abid is not joined. Okay. So see here, we can start today one. So yesterday we were discussed users. Okay, we discussed users, groups, and Mahesh. Yeah, we discussed users, groups, roles. Okay, and we also seen impersonation. So impersonation is one of the option we seen. Okay, so see here, users it is very much clear. Okay, maybe I can just go one more time. User administration, So what this user administration will be called as? If I want to know what is this, what is the name of it?
Application, sir.
Application. Okay, very good. And if I want to know what is this? Users,
Module.
Modules.
modules. Very good. Okay. So I went here, and when I'm creating a new user, okay. So see, we seen everything, but we didn't see these two options intentionally, as it is a first class. Okay. These two also there, but they will be discussed maybe in our last section of classes. There are some integration concepts will come. Okay, for integrations we specifically create users, and if I say integration user web services access only, then they are not normal user but they are special users. Okay, I will discuss later. Don't confuse, don't see now, because it will make a lot of confusion. If I want to explain it, then I have to start what is integration, why I will create it, where I will use it, and all. Okay, we skipped these two, but we will be covering it. Apart from that, nothing will left in the users table. Okay, as for now. And now when you see, yeah, yeah. So when you see the users table, few are joining today. Okay, yesterday they were not part of it, so I will be sharing the video of yesterday. Okay, please remind, and then you can just go through it. So what we covered yesterday is we covered how to create a users, how to create a group, how to create a role, and impersonation part. I will share that video. And now you may first time, okay, you may not see some tabs here, not maybe from user table. If you go to group table, okay, you don't see maybe a role, or if you go to role table, okay, or roles, you may not see something else. Okay, let's say I opened one role here. Okay, so let's say like this, I created this role. I may not see some see here, I can't see groups here. I want to add a role to group, I am not seeing group here. Okay, or I have a group here, I want to add this group to role. Role is there, this is fine, but I want to add role to group, I can't see group here. Okay, when we do first time we get stuck here. Okay, this first thing is what we call them. Okay, we call them related lists. Okay, when whatever you are seeing the bottom tabs, they are related lists. Is this fine? First one, is that clear, everyone?
Yes.
Huh. So in the related list, if you don't see any, like let's say I am in the role, okay, I want to add this role to a group, but I can't see a group here, group related list. Okay, you have some alternative. You can go to that particular group and I can add a role here. That is also there. Everything like adding user to group, group to user, both are same. But I want to see group here. Okay, how I can do is first of all go right click in this page. Okay, page in the sense not in the body of the page, but header of the page means this tab. Okay, right click, configure related lists. Okay, and now look for group. Okay, and what is this page is called as?
Slush bucket, sir.
Flush buckets.
Okay, so groups. I just took the group here and kept the group here. Okay, I arranged it wherever I want to see, and I don't want to see this one maybe. Okay, I will just move it. Even I don't want to move this. I don't want to see this. I will move it. Okay, either you add, either you move. That is the meaning of that is the use of slush bucket. Okay, so using slush bucket, I get the group. I removed two more. Now see here, groups came. So now if I add any group, all the group members will be part of this role. This is what we seen yesterday, right? Everyone, copy?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Okay. Now this is the first thing. Okay. Now second thing is we will complete one topic that is called delegate. Okay, and then we will come back to questions. And even in impersonation also we have one question. Okay. So yesterday one person asked a question. Okay, even we skipped that question also, but he also asked. When you want to do impersonation, what roles it is required? Or maybe the other question is, who can impersonate? Right? Someone asked that. Who is that? Anyone? It's fine. Ah. So who can impersonate means ideally admins can impersonate. First, basically, admins can impersonate. Admins means who? The person who have a role of admin. It doesn't mean like there are no special cap for admins, but it's a role. Clear? First thing. Okay. Second thing is there is see now some person okay like our Mona Garu will come. Okay. She's kind of a manager for one project. Okay. And she is doing some R&D. Okay, R&D means research and development, something. So for her, she asked for impersonation role, impersonation option. Maybe she wants to check with some other people, okay, their roles and all. So she wants some impersonation. She came to ServiceNow platform support team. She requested for impersonation option, but we will not give for everyone because it's little sensitive. Okay, why? Because they can impersonate and then they can create, they can do all the activities what a user can do so that their names will come. Like if Monagaru impersonated my name, then she will create two incidents. So in system Sridhar code, like my name will come. Like he created two tickets, he updated two tickets. Okay, it's a it is little sensitive one. It's not like easy one to give, but still as
Sorry to interrupt.
yeah
So in impersonation, admin can do anything and everything a user can do?
yes
Okay.
that is the dangerous thing, sensitive thing. So admins can do so many things, but we should not do. That's where our responsibilities are. That we are like a bank manager. Okay, let's say admin is a bank manager, and he have every control of banking, means customer data, customer transactions, even customer money. He can take the customer money also, but he should not do it. He can only manage it. Got it, ma? Is that answered your question?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah. So now, where we are? Yeah, we are. Mona Garu asked impersonation role. So when the request came to ServiceNow platform team, okay, so we don't give admin role to her. We know that admins can impersonate. It doesn't mean like we will give admin role to her and say do impersonation. Admin can do more than that. Then the person who took it, maybe she can do all other activities also. It is dangerous. So how we mitigate it? So there is another role called impersonator. Where is that? We are not seeing here. So if you go to roles, maybe there you could see. Okay. So in impersonation, no so this role, I can give this role to the user so that that particular option, the particular operation she can do. Okay. The answer for your question is this one. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is also one of the important question. And see here, I was telling you the 5 channels, right? Don't only trust me, trust me or rely on me. Okay, but how to learn service now? Na? Start seeing the things from okay uh, docs and just read more also. Okay, see here when we see this one impersonate, I don't know what is impersonate. Okay, so just go here and see what ServiceNow has provided. When we see this kind of documentation, you know you will get the terminologies. Okay, terminologies are very important for us to speak. So what is impersonation? Yes. And what are the limitations of impersonation? This is what the answer for your question, ma. An admin can do everything. Yes, admin can do, but what a user with only impersonator role will do. This one. Okay.
Okay.
And who
Okay.
can do impersonation? Where is that role? Yeah. See what role is required to impersonate? Impersonator. Okay, how you do impersonation in UI 16? So like the page where we are doing. So this is how you do impersonation. This is San Diego image. Okay, you don't see this image in our local. Okay, because maybe this is loaded with San Diego. If I shift it to maybe Quebec, this image will be different. Okay, the documentation is well advanced and well prepared. See here, even image also they changed. Okay, so either way, now here you have something, and you can just go and do all your readings and knowledge improvement. Okay, few things will be little advanced. Okay, now here they said this one. Okay, I don't know what is system property, what is property. Please pause it. At least you started reading something, but don't read everything. You will get mad also. Okay, start seeing the things, reading the things. That is very important for us. Okay, because you need to speak later. You no need to write. This is not an exam. This is like interview, no? When we are attending interviews, we need to speak a lot. So every word should get in your mind. Then only it will come to your mouth. Okay, ma? So please practice it. Go through the documentations and communities and other stuff and then go it. Okay, so delicate. So next topic is delicate. What is delicate? What is the general meaning of delicate? Anyone can tell me? If you know ServiceNow delicate, please maybe don't, but others.
Sensitive.
It's not delicate, delegate,
Oh,
foreign delegate.
oh,
Yeah, sensitive. Colgate. Okay, right. Well, that is also fine, but it's delicate, delegate. Yeah,
Authorized to do something on behalf.
authorized to do something on behalf of someone, something. Yes, very good. What else? Foreign delegate. What is the meaning of foreign delegate? Let's say India have received two foreign delegates from China.
It's guest.
Guests. Why can't we say two guests from China in that case? Maybe your answer is right, but maybe I'm asking a cross question. Please justify. When I ask some cross question, it doesn't mean like you are wrong. Maybe I want more. I want more clarity. Okay, don't please stop yourself. Yeah, authorized to do for.
Representative of the foreign nation
Hmm,
or
yeah, okay. So see here, yeah, guest instead of calling them as guest, maybe we can calling them as representatives. Okay, delegate from some country means they are representing their country. We use that terminology delegate means they are representing something. Okay, 150 people from India went to Olympics. They are representing India, not yeah, 1.110 crores of people will go to Olympics to represent India. 11 people went to India from Indian cricket side. 150 people went to Olympics to represent India. So they are delegating our country. They are doing something for entire nation, right? So the delegate, na, it is a representation or someone will be doing behalf of someone. Maybe this other way you can take it. So representation, it's a very big definition, but in a smaller definition, okay, you are doing behalf of someone. Is that clear, ma? The word, the meaning of delegate, is that clear first?
yeah.
Yeah, everyone.
Yes.
yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, if we know that, okay, let's say, okay, I have a requirement here. So yes, question. Did I written any question here? Who can impersonate, right? This is the question. Okay. So here, one requirement. Okay. What is the requirement is, okay. So let's say one of our student, who is the student? Anyone? Ajit. Okay. So he's a manager. He's a manager or he's a project manager. Ajit is here. Huh? You are there, Ajit?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Ajit is a project manager. Okay. So as part of his day-to-day activities, he will be receiving so many emails from system, okay, ServiceNow, and he will be approving so many requests. Approval is one of the activity. Okay. Let's say One of his team member raised a new laptop request, new pen drive request, new mouse request, new software installation request. Okay, so anything. So the respective manager should approve because they involve with cost, or not only cost, without cost also they have to approve it. Okay, the approval, there is a process called approval. Okay, so this project manager have some definitions, okay, or some jobs from system where he needs to do, okay, and they will reflect in the system, ServiceNow system. This point is clear, ma? Yes, no? Okay, maybe approvals. What is approvals is, maybe I can show you. Let's see if I have approvals. I don't think I have approvals because it's empty. Okay, give me 1 second. What is the table? Sys approval dot approver. Huh, table name is wrong. Yes, I know. This is the one. Hmm. So let's say this one. So go to this one. So okay. So Luke Wilson, he have some approvals. So let's say our hero is Luke Wilson. Okay, approvals in the sense, if I go to his profile, where is Luke Wilson? Luke Wilson, Luke Wilson. Why his Luke Wilson is not there? Because he is inactive, 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 inactive. Now he is active. Then he should come here. I will do few navigations. First time you will get little odd. Please don't. Just watch it. Okay, so we have one person, let's say this is the person, Luke Wilson. Okay, and Luke Wilson, okay, approvals. Okay, when you see his approvals, he have these many approvals, new approvals. Maybe he's belongs to one of the change control or change management related cab approval and all. Okay, these many tickets, these many change ticket can be anything. Okay, it's a ticketing tool. Ticket can be anything. The type of ticket is varies. If it is an incident, it is a issue based. If it is change, the purpose is different. Okay, so he have one request, one approval pending, and the pending approval is for a change. So he needs to validate it and then approve it or reject it. So he will see what is this. Yes, this is the one. It came to me. Okay, and this is what it is, and this is what they are going to do. Okay, okay. Everything looks to me. Did I need to see? Did they tested it properly? Okay, they didn't mention anything test plan, but if something goes wrong in the system of implementation, what they will do? Okay, they have something, so it looks good to me. Okay, so what you do is this Luke Wilson will approve or reject, so he can do from here. So where is that? Here. Where is that? Here. Okay, he will just open this. Okay, and he may approve or he may reject it. So when he do it, it will reflect this one. See here, that record, change record, which we are looking into. Okay, the on that we are doing it. So I open the change record and I also open the approval page. Okay, now I am rejecting it. Luke Wilson is rejecting it or approving it, whatever. Just take approving it. So he approved it. Okay, and just go to the ticket. Okay, it's already came to the ticket. Okay, so it changed something or it did something. So see here, approval approved. He approved it. Luke Wilson, and remaining all came as now no longer required, and it may created another approval. Nothing. Approval phase is completed. Okay, so from approval phase to it moved to scheduled phase. Earlier it was some other state. I didn't notice it, but it moved to schedule now. So maybe I can see from here. Even here also it changed. It was something some change authorized state. Earlier it was authorized state. Now once it is approved, it moved to this stage. Maybe if I refresh it, you see this underline to scheduled. Yeah, see here it is reflected now. Okay, so this is what he did. He approved it or he rejected it, but it moved the system to the next. It moved the ticket to the next one. Okay, this is what approval is. Okay, so Luke Wilson will be away for system now for 2 weeks. 2 weeks family trip and leave, vacation. We call it as vacation. It's not vaccination, vacation. Okay. So now who can now when he is absent? Okay. So how his approvals will be taken care? Okay. You got it? So he wants someone to be represented when he is not in the system. Okay. That time, what we do is we do delegation. So we are in Luke Wilson, so I can't do because he don't have access to do user-based activities. So I need to jump back to my administrator. Then just close all of them, not required. Okay. So go to users, get the user, and in the last you have something called delegate tab, and you add new. Okay, and this person need the dedication, and this person will be delegated with this person. So which person you want to keep? So the next person. Okay, Antonio, our user which we created yesterday. Okay, so he this person will be delegated for Luke Wilson, and which time period? Okay, the time period is starts from today. Maybe you need to see the dates. 5 6 5 6. Okay, 5 5 2. Maybe 2 weeks. Okay, till the time, till this, till the duration. Okay, what are the things he can do? He can do approvals. Okay, let's say one approval came to this person. The same approval will replicate to Antonio also during the time. Okay, so he can approve it. This is first thing. Second thing is assignments. What is assignments? Everyone, you are following me, ma? Show silence.
Yes.
If some incident is assigned to him, he need to take up that.
Yes, yes. Some incident, some ticket is assigned to him, he can take it, right? And notifications. What is notifications? Notifications means, okay, maybe first time you are all here. ServiceNow, see here, we can see notifications, okay? So I've opened one ticket, any ticket, it could be any ticket. Yes, just take this ticket. Okay, so now ServiceNow system itself will send you so many emails. See here, there is an email sent to this particular group of people. Okay, and the content is your group means, when we say group means the members of the group. Okay, the group is having 10 members, so it sent a mail to those 10 members stating that your group has been assigned with an incident. Okay, now just to see, okay, I am changing the group. Consider like the person Antonio AB feels like, okay, this is not AWS support one. Okay, check the relevant group and assign accordingly. He is moving back to service desk. Okay, so see here, when I assign this ticket, how ServiceNow people will get to know? Okay, the system will send an email to them also. So here in maybe 2 seconds or 5 seconds, we get one more email. Just wait. Yeah, see here, the system sent an email. Okay, so this is notifications. Now our Luke Wilson is here, or the Luke Wilson is here. Okay, so if ServiceNow is sending any email and to Luke Wilson, and how he will respond when he is away? He will use this delegate. Okay, even the delegate person also will receive the email. So this is what the meaning of notifications. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Any notes here? Okay. So meeting invitations. I don't think we use ServiceNow for meetings. Okay, we will be having some communication channels like Skype, Teams, okay? Even in Outlook also we will send the meetings, okay? So we don't use this option, so better we can uncheck it. But these three are primary. Okay, now I made the delegation of this one. Okay, from now onwards, Antonio can also do approvals and he will also taken care of assignments and then he will also receive the notifications. So this is the meaning of delegate. Okay, maybe it's a kind of, I don't think people will ask this question. Okay, but in general, as part of our platform service support job or admin job or development, it's not a development but admin job, you may receive some requests saying, please delegate my account with some other account. Or okay, there is one RATM raised, there is a change raised, and it is waiting for one approver, and yeah, the approver is on maternity leave, 6 months. Okay, that time that ticket cannot be approved. She is not in the system. That time what they do is her manager will come and say, please move the ticket to some, please move it. He will say just please approve it or reject it. Please move it. Then we can't approve it behalf of her. We can approve. See, as a administrator, you have control to approve also, but you don't approve. Okay, why? Because we should not. Same bank manager, cashier. Okay, so that time what we do? We ask the manager like, okay, you take the responsibility. Okay, you are the goat here. You take the responsibility. I will make you delegate. You are understanding this one? The how we receive the delegate request I am trying to explain. Okay, clear my everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I think that's it. It's such a simple thing. Even we discussed very long, but yeah, this is enough for delegate. Okay.